Updating your legal name on Affirm is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Visit the Affirm website or open the Affirm app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your current legal name. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Update option. In the account settings, look for the option to update your personal information or specifically your name. Click on this option to proceed with the name change. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name as it appears on your official documents. Ensure that there are no typos and that the name matches your identification to avoid any issues. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification regarding the update. After completing these steps, your legal name on Affirm should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Affirm's customer support for assistance.